AI Sales Engineer. Salary, $80,000 to $150,000. Job description. 1. Collaborate with the sales team to understand customer needs and provide technical expertise on AI solutions. 2. Conduct product demonstrations and presentations to showcase the value and capabilities of AI products to potential clients. 3. Engage in pre-sales activities, including solution design, proposal development, and responding to technical queries. 4. Work closely with the product development team to understand product roadmaps, features, and enhancements. 5. Conduct technical assessments and feasibility studies to ensure the suitability of AI solutions for customer requirements. 6. Provide guidance and support during the implementation and deployment of AI products. 7. Serve as a liaison between the sales, engineering, and customer success teams to ensure seamless customer experience. 8. Stay updated on the latest AI technologies, trends, and industry developments to effectively communicate product benefits. 9. Build and maintain strong relationships with key stakeholders, including customers, partners, and internal teams. 10. Collaborate with the sales team to achieve revenue targets and contribute to business growth. Requirements. 1. Bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, engineering, or a related field. 2. Strong technical background in AI, machine learning, and data analytics. 3. Experience in a sales or customer-facing role, preferably in the AI or software industry. 4. Deep understanding of AI technologies, algorithms, and frameworks. 5. Excellent presentation and communication skills to effectively convey complex technical concepts to non-technical audiences. 6. Ability to translate customer requirements into technical solutions and articulate the value proposition. 7. Strong problem-solving skills to address customer challenges and propose suitable AI solutions. 8. Knowledge of industry verticals where AI solutions are commonly applied, such as healthcare, finance, or e-commerce. 9. Familiarity with CRM systems and sales tools to manage leads, opportunities, and customer interactions. 10. Ability to work collaboratively in a team-oriented environment. 11. Willingness to travel for customer meetings, conferences, and industry events as required.